Hello students, today I am going to start probability chapter 15 exercise 15.1. First question, fill in the blanks. Probability of event plus probability of not event. So it is a property, probability of event plus probability not event, always 1. Okay, so this answer, here the answer is 1. For example, throwing a die, how many outcomes you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, if suppose one event is odd number, occur odd number. So how many odd number are there? 1, 3 and 5. Okay, then what is the probability? 3 by 6, 3 by 6, because 6 is the total outcome, so 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. So, and another event, suppose not odd, not odd means what? Even. See, even also 2, 4, 6, 3 number, so probability again 3 by 6. Okay, so there are some, one event is odd, another event is not odd, so there are some half plus half, that is equal to 1. Okay, so it is a one type of formula, it is 1. Next, the probability of an event that cannot happen is 0. Such kind of event is known as impossible event. All of you know, probability of an impossible event is 0. So such kind of event is called impossible event. Next, the probability of an event is certain to happen is always 1, and such event is called sure event. Okay, for example, suppose throwing a die, your condition is getting a number which will be less than or equal to 6. Okay, less than or equal to 6. So number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are less than equal to 6. So total outcome 6, and how many number in event? 6. So 6 by 6 equal to 1. Clear? So such kind of event is known as sure event. Okay, and next question, the sum of probabilities of all events of an experiment is always 1. Okay, sum of all elementary event of an experiment. Okay, the sum of probabilities of all elementary event of an experiment always 1. It also one property. Clear? Next question, the probability of an event is greater than or equal to dash and less than or equal to dash. So it is a range of probability, probability range always less than or equal to 1 or greater than or equal to 0. So it is 0 and it is 1. Okay, clear? It is 0 and it is 1. Next, so these are the answer.